And in a tragic news coming in, 2 Ecuadorian Air Force pilots were killed in action when their training aircraft crashed on a busy road in the La Libertad area located in the southwest of Ecuador. The plane, part of the Ecuadorian Air Force, collided with several passing vehicles upon impact. The tragic accident, which occurred on a major street, claimed the lives of both pilots aboard. The crash has raised concerns over air safety and the risks posed by flying near populated areas. Authorities are investigating the cause of the crash. In fact, chilling surveillance footage that we have on our screens, the raw video, shows the moment that the military jet crashed on a busy avenue in Ecuador's southwestern province of Santa Elena, killing both the soldiers aboard and also injuring 2 drivers. The Ecuadorian Air Force identified the victims as Captain Diana Rios and Cadet Juan Pacheco. The tragic death that happened after the aircraft crashed was in the populated area, a municipality in fact. The plane collided with several vehicles on a busy street, causing chaos and frenzy and further damage in the area. While investigations are ongoing into the cause of the accident, it remains to be seen
And we begin this edition first up with the latest that's coming in from Maharashtra. It seems that there is finally some conclusion when it comes to the chief ministerial phase. Sources tell us that it is going to be Devendra Fadnavis who will be taking oath as a chief minister, and that he is likely to retain a key home portfolio. Meanwhile, NCP's Ajit Pawar is likely to be named as deputy chief minister and would be given the finance portfolio. So Maharashtra Chief Minister race that is in its final lap. Devendra Fadnavis, who is likely to retain the home portfolio and is to be the next Chief Minister as per sources. It's also being learned that Ajit Pawar is likely to be named as Deputy Chief Minister, taking charge of the finance portfolio. Speculation is also rife around Eknath Shinde's role, as he has been offered the Deputy Chief Minister's post with discussions on revenue and power and works portfolios that remain a point of contention, with the BJP expressing its intent to retain it. So not yet clear as to which portfolio will Eknath Shinde get, but sources tell us that it is going to be Devendra Fadnavis who will be taking over the mantle as the next Chief Minister, and that he is likely to retain the home affairs portfolio. So in the backdrop of these back-to-back developments after the late night meet that was held in the national capital of Eknath Shinde with BJP top brass, including the Union Home Minister, Eknath Shinde has assured Amit Shah of his party's firm support for the Mahayuti alliance. A meet of the alliance prominent leaders is expected in Mumbai today, something that was also mentioned by Eknath Shinde late last night, that the decision would be made in Mumbai in the Mahayuti meeting, while BJP's legislature party is likely to finalize its leaders in the next 2 days, with central observers arriving from the national capital. So sources telling us that consensus has been reached upon on Fadnavis for the chief minister post. He's likely to retain Home Department and Urban Development Department as well, while Ajit Pawar is likely to continue as a Deputy Chief Minister. So while it seems that there is some clarity on Ajit Pawar and Devendra Fadnavis' role in Mahayuti Government 2.0, we are still awaiting clarity on whether Eknath Shinde is going to be the Deputy Chief Minister and which will be the portfolios that will be given to the Shiv Sena. The details on your screen with BJP, it will be the Home Department in Maharashtra, with Shiv Sena, the Urban Development Department. Still awaiting clarity, but sources tell us that the urban development portfolio remains a point of contention, with the BJP also expressing its intent to retain it. Let's go across to Madhurima, who's joining us with more details. Madhurima, once again, run us through the top leads that we are tracking. We understand that it is going to be Devendra Fadnavis who will be taking oath as a Chief Minister.
What we're learning, Samiksha, at the moment is that there were hectic parleys conducted at the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday here in the national capital, and all the three main stakeholders of the Mahayuti, that is Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde, were in attendance. And what we're learning through our sources is that the Mahayuti is inching closer towards a final decision, and the breaking at the moment that we're bringing for our viewers is that there's almost a consensus on naming Devendra Fadnavis as the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. What we are also learning from our sources is that Fadnavis is going to keep the Home Ministry portfolio as well, whereas Ajit Pawar has agreed for the Deputy Chief Minister's post with Finance Ministry in his kitty. But here where there is a little bit of irritation in the Mahayuti, where Eknath Shinde, where according to our sources has extended his full support to Mahayuti, has said that he will have to speak to his cadre before accepting the Deputy Chief Minister's post. And there's also a little bit of friction as far as the Urban Development Ministry is concerned, as the BJP would want it in its fold. However, Eknath Shinde and the Shiv Sena Shinde faction has also shown some interest in the Urban Development Ministry. However, Shinde has been also promised the PWD ministry as well. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what is the really outcome. But yes, our sources are keeping us ahead, Samiksha. We'll have to wait and watch as to what would be the final decision.
Madhurima, stay with us. Let's also go across to Satya Prakash, who's joining us live. Satya Prakash, हमें थोड़ा और बताइए, कहा जा रहा है कि जो अर्बन डेवलपमेंट पोर्टफोलियो है उसके बारे में उसको लेकर एक डिसीजन नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है महायुति में।
देखिए समीक्षा, बीती रात जिस तरह मीटिंग हुई केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह के साथ, एकनाथ शिंदे, देवेंद्र फडणवीस, अजित पवार, प्रफुल्ल पटेल और सुनील तटकरे के साथ जिस तरह मीटिंग हुई, और मीटिंग में लगभग सारी चीज़ें तय हो चुका है। पर्यवेक्षक जो है आज शाम तक नाम डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा बीजेपी की तरफ से कि कौन जा रहा है मुंबई, और नामों की घोषणा करेगा जो कि बीजेपी का मुख्यमंत्री होगा। सबसे ज़्यादा प्रबल दावेदार हैं देवेंद्र फडणवीस के नामों को लगभग मोहर लग गई है। अब दिल्ली से यहाँ पर पर्यवेक्षक आएंगे और यहाँ पर नामों की घोषणा किया जाएगा। लेकिन पोर्टफोलियो की बात करें तो पोर्टफोलियो भी लगभग तय कर दिया गया है अजित पवार को वित्त मंत्रालय, और इसके अलावा PWD हो या अर्बन डेवलपमेंट हो, तो कहीं न कहीं सारी चीज़ें जो एकनाथ शिंदे के ग्रुप में जा रहा है। दूसरी तरफ बात किया जाए तो होम मिनिस्ट्री बीजेपी नहीं छोड़ना चाहती, और ये जो है जो CM रहेगा, जो देवेंद्र फडणवीस के नाम लगभग मोहर लग चुकी है, उनको ही होम मिनिस्ट्री खुद पास रखेंगे। तो फिलहाल कहीं सारी चीज़ों के पोर्टफोलियो लगभग तय हो चुका है, और आज देर शाम तक नामों का डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा। जो दिल्ली से पर्यवेक्षक आने वाले हैं और नामों का डिक्लेयर किया जाएगा, और कल हो सकता है कि बीजेपी की जो विधायक दल की बैठक है मुंबई बुलाई जाएगी, और कल विधायक दल का नेता चुना जाएगा, और 2 दिसंबर को शपथ विधि होगा। समीक्षा।
All right, Satya Prakash, thank you for the moment. So as Satya Prakash is telling us, oath taking is likely on the 2nd, and we are expecting clarity by this evening when the BJP is likely to announce who is going to be leading the Maharashtra government, the Mahayuti government in Maharashtra. But once again, the details on your screens, urban development portfolio is something which remains a bone of contention among the Mahayuti partners.